How to appear offline in Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can tap open your Roblox application in your PC or mobile device, or just search for roblox.com in our website. Make sure to log in into your Roblox account. After that, you will find an interface like this in your Roblox. To appear yourself offline in Roblox, you need to do a couple of steps. Starting off, tap on the More icon. Head on the Settings option. Select on the option of Privacy. From here, on the base of communication, you need to select on No One. By default, it will be set as for your friend or everyone. Just make sure to tap on No One. Once you have done this on the communication section, you can scroll down. Then, make sure to sign for No One in all of this option. Just tap on it and select on No One. Once you do this, no one will know about your activity status on your Roblox. That's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.